Hello friends, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce, AM Science, popularly known as KT Chong College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about the GGDP 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. The paper is 4 and semester number first. Now, student, the topic is number 2, population distribution, and now today's topic will be trends level of urbanization of population will be discussed today. We're going to the this topic will be, and now student last lecture will be discussed for definition and different stages of population and some concept of urbanizations. Now is what is meant by urban population, used to refer the population which is lived in urban areas, whatever to be criteria for urban uploaded. What is the urban growth? The in term of refer to the change in the size either in urban place or in urban population. Growth in an urban place may take place as it result as an expansion of the boundaries of an urban area or reclassification of areas as urban according to the predetermined criteria. Growth in urban population may be take place because the consequent growth of an urban place as the result of the two reasons, because of natural increase and net migration. Well, considering the change in the urban population during the given period, two dimensions have to be taken into the consideration. First one is changes which occur within the localities themselves. The component of population growth, which is a contribute to change in an urban population within this locality. Now, it is urbanization. It is a term refer to the change in the proportion of unit of population which is in urban area. Now, it is very important here to distinguish between the terms of urbanization means urban population growth. Now, urbanization may be take place as a result to the reasons mentioning above in the course of the discussion on urban population growth. Very important point here to difference between the urbanization and urban population growth is that urbanization occur only when the rate of growth of population it's a greater than rate of growth of non-urban population. That is, urban population can grow without having an increase in the level of urbanization if the rate of growth and non-urban population is equal to greater than the rate of growth in urban population. Now, here we will be discussing last lecture from the difference measurement of a percentage of urban areas, maybe the simplest and most commonly used indexing of measuring a degree of urbanization percentage of population in urban areas is calculated as the following. Now, here will be discussion today's the topic is trends and level of urbanization of India. Very important here. Now different topic will be discussion from the ratio of urban rural population, other measures of urbanization, tempo of urbanization. Now though the ancient times, famous cities are where seats in civilization and culture. The bulk of the world population has a till to recent live in rural area. Till about the 18th century, hardly 3% of the world population is urban. The emergence of the cities has a quantitatively important point of population accumulation can be regarded as a major event of 19th century. Now, it is the present of level and urbanization will be discussed by one point, and then now trends of urban population urbanization in India will be discussion on next point here. Student, this is a topic we be cover for the factor affecting distribution of population, density of the distribution, density of population. Now, factors affecting density of populations, then population density of India, urbanization and density of stages, trends and level of urbanization of India is the last topic. Now, this is the trends of urbanization. What is the trends of urbanization in India 1951 to 2011? Now see the year census year 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011. This is the urban population in millions. Here urban population in million India million in years 1950 to 2011. That is the percent of urban population overall percentage of urban population in year means 1961 is 17.97% of urban population living in India. Now 1971 is 1990.91 and 1981 is 23.1 34 and 1991 is 25.72. Now last 2011 is 31.16, means is the huge or maybe day by day urbanization, urban population will be grow. Now annual exponential growth rate is 3.79, 3.79, 3.09 and 2.75. This is the two exponential growth rate is here. Now this is the trends of urbanization of India in 1990, 51, 2011, means the trends will be increased. Exponential trends of urban growth of trends of urbanization of populations, means the history of mankind reference to the found of the large cities of ancient times in the 16th century to up to in the 18th century, and another one more important here, trends of populations, maybe some history in the history of mankind reference to can be found the large city of the ancient times in the 16th century BC. Babylon was known as how the population is 3,50,000. Other systems large size cities of the Patliputra, now Patna in India, which is population is 7 lakh in the first century in BC. Rome of the population is 1 lakh, 11 lakh in the second century, and Baghdad, which is the population is the 7 lakh 50,000 in 19th century. Then Angkor, Khmer in Empire, the population is 1 lakh 15 lakh in the 20th century. Up to the 19th century, many part of Asia, higher level of urbanization in Europe since the later Middle Age. However, the rise of commercial towns in Europe gradually led by massive urbanization. The main difference between the urban centers of East and West was the while historic urban center was mainly dependent on the resources. Now, agrarian economy and that is that sense may be considered to be the parasitic, not being the any use of the rural area. The function of western urban center is mainly commercial. Such as commercial urban center resulted in wider distribution of benefits, thus increasing of agriculture productivity, purchasing power, the development of increase in potential to urban growth. Other factors to lead to the emergence of urban center, especially sea and river ports, where that is the are those marginalized phase of the modern imperialism, with a great deal of competitions among the state. Industrial revolution necessities of the employment of a large labor force. As a result, has huge section of population changes over the agriculture occupation and manufacturing occupation in the urban center. England Davis is Hills have estimated that the percentage of population living in urban locality different sizes in period 18 to 1915. Now here will be discussion of the different different urban areas differ to from country to country. The studies trends of urbanization can be restricted only agglomeration in the 20,000 and more inhabitant. Means here also discussion for the different countries, and now here will be cover from India's. Now you see this is the figures for trends of urbanization in India 1951 2011. Now go to the one by one. This is the trends. According to 2011 census, urban population growth the 377 million, showing the growth rate of the 2.76% per annum during the 2001 and 2011. The level of urbanization at the country as a whole increased from the 77.7% in India in 2001 to 31% in 2011, is increase of 3.3 percent point during the 2001 to 2011, compare at the increase by 2.1 percent point during the 1991 to 2001. It is clearly reflect the faster economic growth during the 2000 century is bringing the outspreader urbanization during the 2001 to 2011. India has about 79 million urban population in 1961, which is constitute about the 18% of the total population. Means the average growth rate of urban population was 2.32% during the 1951 to 61, which is accurate up to 7.39% during the 1971 to 1981, as the highest urban growth since the independence. After the 1981, the urban population is declared to the 3.09% during the 1981 to 1991. Further, it declined to 2.75 during 1991 to 2001. However, It is that the decline growth rate has silently revised during the 2001 to 2011. The total addition of urban population was 91 million during the 2001 to 2011. Highest ever, the first time urban population increment was the higher than rural increment with 19.5 million since the uniform definition as followed is 1961. Means here is they work well with the mention of the urban population is own alone cannot speed up urbanization, but more importantly, if urbanization has occurred, urban population growth rates need to be higher than the rural population growth rate. Means it is a rural and urban population growth is the differential that is critical to the process of urbanization. Now, the rural and urban growth rate, the differential increase from the from about a percentage per annum during the 1991-2001 to 1.60% per annum during the 2001-2011. Now, it is also evident that is the rural population growth is the decline much faster than the 2001-2011 compared as the earlier decades. It is worthwhile to mention that the urban-rural population growth, the differential, it is the product of the differential in natural increase between the rural and urban areas, means birth rate and death rate. It is a net and rural and urban area classification, net rural to urban migrations. Now, the urban-rural growth differential to in natural increase remain almost constant 4% of 4,000 population during the 1991 2000 to 2001 to 2010. This is year. It is the net rural and urban classification of net rural to urban migration is that is responsible for higher urban rural growth differential and speeding up urbanization during the 2001 2011. Now, here we already discussed the level of urbanization among all the states of Union territories of National Capital Territory of Delhi, Union Territory of Chandigarh is the most urbanized for 97% and 97.2% of urban population respectively, followed by Daman Diu 75.2% and Pondicherry for 68.3%. Among the states, Goa is now most urbanized state in 62.2% of urban population is a significant increase in since 2001 when the urban population of Goa was 49.8%. Another significant instance to rapid urbanization that is Kerala. Its urban population is now the 47.7%, while the decades ago it is just 25.9%. Among the northeastern state, Mizoram is the most urbanized with the 51.5% of urban population. Though in the term of absolute contribution to the total urban population, it is a country. Mizoram's contribution is just 1.1% of similarly Sikkim, which is the just 11.11% urbanization decade ago, become the most 25% urbanization in 2011. Means among the major cities, Tamil Nadu continues to be the most urbanized state with the 48.4% of the population living in urban areas, followed by the Kerala is 47.7%, upstanding Maharashtra is 45.2%. The proportion of urban population is continues to be the lowest in Himachal Pradesh is 10%, followed by Bihar is 11.3%, Assam is 14.1%, and Orissa is 16.7%. Means the terms of absolute number of persons living in urban areas, Maharashtra is continuously to the 58 million person people is comprised 13.5% of the total urban population of the country. Uttar Pradesh account for about 44.4 million, followed by the Tamil Nadu at 34.9 million people is living in urban areas. Now here will be level of urbanization at the state level, as the pattern of urbanization is very diverse. But economically advanced state have a higher than level of urbanization. Means the emerging of a regional pattern which is to show that the most of the part of the central, eastern and northeastern India has a very low level of urbanization. The region is also economically less developed part of India. On the other hand, all the southern state along with the state of northern western India such as Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra have a higher urbanization level than the national average. But the small states like Goa, continues the top of list among the states of 62% urban, followed by Mizoram 51.5%. Among the major cities, Tamil Nadu continues to ahead to the other cities, other states, which is the level of urbanization for 48.4% in 2011 census. Now, the state which is at the lagging behind the Himachal Pradesh at the bottom, which is level urbanization is the 10% of followed by Bihar, Assam, and Orissa. Other than it's like UP, Rajasthan, MP, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand also continues to have the lower urbanization than the national level. Now here, level of the although the reversal of declining trends of urban population growth rate is national level, that is the major features and urbanization reveals by the 2011 census. There are only 50 states and Union territories which have show the increased urban population growth rate during the 2001-2011 compared to the 1991 to 2001. Among them Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Uttar Pradesh. These are the major states. Now, the very high urban population growth is occurred in the states of Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, where the urban population growth rate has increased to the 6.5% per annum in the Kerala, 3% of per annum in Andhra Pradesh during the 2001-2011 census compared to just about 1% annum during the 1999 to 2001 census. Here, then both Kerala and Andhra Pradesh, among the West Bengal and Gujarat, a large number of new towns have emerged as a result to the rural-urban classification in 2011. Now, level of urbanization and the growth rates of India, states and Maharashtra. Now, this is your the state and urban population in millions, then percentage of urban population growth rate, average population of growth rate, average annual growth rate. Here will be discussion for one by one. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland. This is the one which is the urban population, where the most urban population countries, most urban population states, and as well as union territories. Now the percent of urban annual growth rates and average urban growth rate is here. Average annual growth rate here will be most really some as the minus here. Now this is another one more some states with the Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, and Delhi, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, and now last one is India. Now India's annual growth rate is 31.1% and average urban rate is 2.73%. That is the average annual growth, rural growth rate 1.16, and now urban rural growth of differential 1.60. This is the Indian situation for level of urbanization population growth in India and as well as states. Means this is the very important here to the urban level of urbanization and urban growth of states, where is suppose for example in Rajasthan is urban population is 17.38 millions, but is the what is the urban annual growth rate is 22.8%, and average of growth rate is 2.56%, and that is average growth rate is 1.74, and annual growth rate is 0.82%. Means this is the very simple here the urban population annual growth rate, which is where we increase, where it decrease. Means this average urban growth rate, average annual growth or rural growth rate, then differential for urban growth rate are here. For example, in the Uttarakhand. Now Uttarakhand is a 3.09 million of populations. Now is the annual growth rate is 30.5%. Now and in average is 3.49 and average annual growth rate is 1.07, 2.42. This is urban rural growth and differential. This is the situation for urban as well as different states of for like in for example in Delhi. Delhi's urban population is 16.33% and urban annual is 97.5%. That is the rate is 2.35%, and this is annually 10.66%. Means this is a very important year. Will be discussion. This is the was for Sikkim as well as Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Orissa, and as well as all the states here will be discussion for level of urbanization and urban growth in India. Now, student, today will be discussed for level and trends of urbanization in India. Any doubt, any query, ask anytime questions. Student, will be next point will be cover next lecture to be continue. Okay, good day, bye bye.